What do you think about this budget and its impact on the daily lives of people?
I think it is minimal, right? Other than I would agree with Jack that people who are enjoying their tobacco pouches may feel a hit, but other than that, I don't think we're going to see a lot of relief. And I think New Yorkers really want relief right now. And politically, I think the governor is making a choice to avoid pitfalls as opposed to taking bold initiatives. We'll see how that plays out. I think we're in a moment, given the affordability crisis that New York has been in prior to this federal administration, and certainly exacerbated, right, by our federal policies. I think, our New York City mayoral election, the turnout for a Republican president in New York City in 2024 should be telling us, and what I take from that is that New Yorkers want bold initiatives and something different, right? Not a kind of duck and cover strategy.